Hi everyone! Today we find out, is there a way to identify the changes made to a Word document? So here I have two versions of the same document, and to identify the changes, we may have gone about reading each document and trying to flag where sentences would have changed. By using the Compare tool, Microsoft Word can flag those changes for us. To use Compare, you just need to know where you have your original version saved and where you have your updated version saved. You go into Review tab, click on Compare, and you click on Compare again. This dialog box will come up. You're going to see Original Document, so you browse to wherever you have your original saved. And similarly, you're going to see Revised Documents, so you browse to wherever you have your revised document saved. You go and you label your changes, so we're going to label our changes with anything we want to. We also have the option to determine which type of changes we'd like to track. For now, I'd select all. We can also show the changes made on a letter level, on a character level, or on a word level, show the entire word is being changed. And we can also show the changes on the original document, the revised document, but just to keep both of them as they are, I'd like to show changes on the new document. Click OK. And Word will create a new document and it will show you where the changes are and what changes have been made. I hope this tool helps you quickly identify changes that are made in a Word document. Thank you for watching. Bye.